Working with Nick has been great. He's always open to suggestions, telling us what he needs out here. This is a total success story here with Nick and Tara, with the things that they've done. They've done a lot, and everything's been a positive and good experience for them. If someone else would like to do projects with NRCS, they need to go into their local field office and talk to some of the staff and see what is available through the Environmental Qualities and Incentives program to do projects like this. We would sit down with them, come up with what their needs are, and then we would provide alternatives to them, and then it would be their decision to decide on what avenue they would like to proceed.